Curls and computer science. What in the world does one have to do with the other? Well, I'm about to chat it up with some savvy computer programmers who've decided to connect their curls with their IQ. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about who you guys are individually first, okay? So I know, Kim, you and I kind of had that first direct connect. Tell me, who is Kimberly Hill?
I'm just a girl from LA who grew up around boys. I'm one of three, single father. Dad taught me at an early age how to learn technology and use it as a creative medium. Raising all of us by himself. In LA,
Cool.
yeah, and then like it kept us off the streets, you know. So that's one thing.
Busy, productive,
right,
moving forward.
Exactly.
So you Miriam, tell me something about you.
I was born and raised in Ethiopia.
Nice.
I came here when I was 11, so definitely an immigrant. And then I stumbled into tech because I started as an international studies major when I was in school. And then I ended up switching majors and then graduated with a computer science degree.
Talk to me about who Chinasa is.
So I'm a Nigerian American girl, born to two immigrants, raised in Kansas City, Missouri, and then been all around the world. And I enjoy coding and art and beauty and fashion, everything. I became interested in technology just because I was interested in how it could help problems in other disciplines.
So let's talk about the hair story. When did you start wearing your natural hair, and what were you doing before you started wearing your hair natural?
Then I came to Howard, and my roommate, she had beautiful hair, and I was like, wow, your hair is so pretty. And it was at that moment I realized, like, wow, I've never seen my hair in its natural state. I had no idea what it looked like.
You were wearing relaxer or just straight?
Just straight. My dad,
so you're pressing it.
I was
like,
pressing
notoriously.
it. Notoriously. Every 2 weeks I was back here in the chair. So I got to Howard and I was like, you know what? My roommate's like, you should just wear your hair. And I was like, okay.
How do I do that?
Right, exactly. How do I do that?
Is that not the life of a natural wearer? You're like, what works for my texture?
Yeah.
But I think it's so awesome now, even with what you guys are doing with Curl IQ, is offering help and resources. So let's talk about Curl IQ. So what is it about the app? If I knew nothing about Curl IQ, why would I need Curl IQ in my life as a natural wearer? Why would I need it?
So we are specifically focused on textured hair, and we're building out a technology that will enable anyone with textured hair to find good products, stylists that work for them, basically turning this old school way of finding products and experiencing hair care into the new world of technology.
If I want to walk up to you, I love your hair. How do I do that? I can tell you, right? I can tell you based on your curl texture. I can figure out what tools you need. I can tell you based on your hair texture who you need to go see to do it, right? And what videos to watch to actually do it if you want to do it yourself.
Yeah, so essentially we recommend products that can work based on your specific curl type. And so from that, you can eliminate to see like what you would actually need and want to use. And so you don't have to go testing products that usually work for, another hair type. Yeah.
What would you tell young Gen Zers that are coming up behind you guys? I'm sure all of you have gone through something in your mind about, can I do this? Am I going to match up? Am I going to be good enough? Are they going to listen to me? What would you tell them?
I think it's a matter of understanding that code is just a tool. And I feel like it's important to understand how you want to use it. Like for me, I think about it as a paintbrush. It's another way for me to be expressive and be a painter or an artist, right?
And plus, like nowadays, there are resources like Black Girls Code, Girls Who Code. There are so many support groups that I definitely did not have growing up. And I didn't start coding until I was like 20. So if I can do it, anyone can do it.
So ladies, this has been super, super exciting. On behalf of Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils, we'd like to present to you, all of you, we want to give you a gift set.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Wow. So we know that you're all wearing your natural hair.
Wow.
So we just thought that was so cool.
So good.
Yes, it does. But guess what? That's not all. On behalf of Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils brand, we'd like to present you a check. to Curl IQ for $2,500. You guys are looking like, they're like, is this real? Is this real? Is this real? Yes, this is real. Pinch yourself. It's real. You are so motivating to so many people. So we came up here to support you. Curl IQ! Do you know someone who has an inspiring story to tell? A story that empowers and motivates people to move and make a difference. Is that person you? Who knows? We might be in your city the next time telling your story.